How to track TransferMate payment. Follow my instructions. TransferMate makes tracking simple and transparent. Here's how you can check your payment status step by step. First, go to the TransferMate website or open the email you received after making the payment. Use the secure tracking link included in your confirmation email. Click the link and it will take you directly to the tracking page. If you don't have the link, log into your TransferMate account instead. From the dashboard, find My Payments or Payment History. Select the payment you want to track and click View Details. You will see a live status update, such as payment received, processing, or completed. TransferMate also shows the date money was received and when it's expected to arrive at your school. This gives you peace of mind while waiting for confirmation. If your payment seems delayed, remember transfers can take 2 to 5 business days. You can also contact TransferMate support using your reference number. Once the school receives the money, you'll get a confirmation email from both TransferMate and your university. Save this email for your records. And that's it. That's how to track your TransferMate payment quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.